Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudlilhu fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah alladzi la nabiyya ba'da. Faqala Allah Ta'ala fil Qur'anil Karim, A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu kutiba alaikumus syiyam kama kutiba alal ladzina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. The mean, O you who believe, fasting has been made obligatory on you as it was prescribed for those before you, so you may become pious. Okay, let's thank to God Allah and all praise to Him, the Lord of the world, the creator of everything in the universe, who has given us mercies and blessing until we can meet together in this place. Secondly, peace be upon to our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness. Okay, brother and sister, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizal Fauzi Mustafa. The name 12120202221. Here I will fulfill the UTS assignment in the English Studies course, which is taught by Mr. Ali Hafid under the title Fasting in the Ramadan. Happy guests, in the midst of fasting conditions that are different from the previous year, we are tested by Allah with the plague COVID-19. But hopefully this will not reduce our khidmat or our khusyu and our enthusiasm in carrying out the fasting worship of Ramadan. Okay, Ramadan is the 9th month in the Hijri calendar. So, in this month, Muslims around the world, we are required to fast. Fasting Ramadan is one of the pillars of Islam. The month of Ramadan will last for 29 until 13 days based on the observation of the new moon hilal, according to some rules written in the hadith. The word Ramadan comes from the Arabic root ramida or ar-ramad, which means scorching heat or dryness. According to Islamic law, fasting during Ramadan is obligatory for an adult Muslim, unless he experiences obstacles to doing so, such as being sick, traveling, old, pregnant, breastfeeding, diabetic, or menstruating. The obligation to fast during the month of Ramadan is established in the month of Sha'ban in the second year after the migration of Muslims from Mecca to Medina. The month of Ramadan begins with the determination of the crescent moon as a sign of the new month. During fasting from morning to evening, Muslims are prohibited from consuming, eating, drinking, smoking, including anything, or having sex. In addition, they are ordered to avoid sinful acts to complete the reward of fasting, such as saying bad things, such as insulting, slandering, cursing, and lying, also and fighting. Food and drinks can be provided every day, eat before sunrise until sunset. A spiritual approach when the month of Ramadan is crowded. Fasting for Muslims during Ramadan is usually followed by more prayers and reading the Quran. And in the month of Ramadan also, the devils are shackled, and the gates of hell are closed. This means that Allah's forgiveness is fully felt during the month of Ramadan, on the condition that the intention of our fast is true only for Allah. In a hadith narrated by Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim, the Prophet Muhammad SAW said, "Man shoma Ramadana imanan wa ihtisaban, ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbi." The mean that whoever fasts in the month of Ramadan out of faith and hoping for a reward from Allah, then his past sins will be forgiven. And in addition, in the hadith narrated by Bukhari and Muslim, it is also stated that whoever performs Taraweh prayers out of faith and seeks reward, then his past sins will be forgiven. Furthermore, the wisdom or virtue of fasting in the next Ramadan is the reward of heaven for those who do it. The fasting of Ramadan is so special that Allah makes a special door in heaven later called the Ar-Rayyan door. And only those who can enter through that door, especially those who fast, especially obligatory fasting, namely fasting in the month of Ramadan, for us, the people Ummah of Prophet Muhammad SAW. And from some hadith, Al-Jannatu mustaqotun ila arba'atin nafarin, talil Qur'an, wa hafizil lisan, wa mut'imil ji'an, wa soimi fi syahri Ramadan. The meaning, heaven longs for four groups. The first, those who read the Quran. And the second, guard their tongues or speak. The third, feed the hungry. And the last, fast in Ramadan. Narrated by Abu Dawud and Tirmidhi. Distinguished guests who welcome the month of Ramadan at the beginning, let us always invite the whole family to make our homes as mosque and make our homes a paradise. Therefore, we must maximize it and achieve taqwa. Also, don't forget to take care of your physical and your spiritual healthy. That's all from me. I'm apologize from all my mistake. And the last I say, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.